Hello lovely viewers, you're welcome to Befe show. Thank you so much for joining me today on the ingredients series. Today I'll be talking about garlic. This is what garlic looks like. Garlic is part of the allium family. It's in the same family with onions, and it grows underground in form of a ball, okay, like what you're seeing now. And each bulb consists of different segments known as gloves. Okay, I want to show you a glove. This is what a glove looks like. This is what a glove looks like. Each bulb of garlic contains from 10 to 20 gloves in them, and the skin is paper-like, like paper. Okay, garlic is high flavored. Okay, it has a very pungent flavor. When I mean pungent, I mean very pungent flavor. Anytime you want to chase someone from your house, not really chasing someone from your house, if you want to disgust someone, okay, chew garlic raw in the night before you go to bed. Don't brush your mouth. Don't brush. Chew it and then go to bed. Then when you wake up, immediately you open your mouth. Immediately open your mouth, turn to your neighbor and say, "Neighbor, good morning." That morning will be a very bad morning for that your neighbor, I'm telling you. Because what garlic can do, even you yourself that chewed the garlic, you look for where to keep your mouth and run to. Because even after you paste and you brush your teeth, the flavor or the odor will still be there. That's how pungent and strong the smell of garlic is. So, but you can get garlic in different forms, okay? You can use it this way, like you peel off the skin and add it to your meal, and then when you're done cooking, you can extract it. You can also blend it. You can chop it. Some people cannot control the smell of garlic, so those kind of people, you can go in for the garlic capsule. It is odorless. In fact, you can just throw it into your mouth and swallow it. It's soft. It's like gum, okay? Some people chew it and all that, but you can just swallow it and then you're good to go. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of garlic. But before I do, I want to put something down there. Studies have shown that the maximum nutrients gotten in garlic can be achieved or can be taken in when garlic is being chopped or chewed or blended, and this is caused by a compound called, it's a sulfur compound called allicin. Okay, so you can get all the maximum nutrients and benefits that garlic can give to you when you chop the garlic or when you blend it or when you chew it raw. Just as I said, if you can't chew it raw, go in for the capsules. Garlic contains vitamin C, and we know that vitamin C is necessary in order to build and maintain broken tissues. Like, it's there to help build up damaged and broken tissues. It's also low in calories, so you don't have problem with calories when you take in garlic. Garlic helps us to control our cholesterol level. So you can see that with the intake of garlic, it can do you a whole lot of good. So for those that always avoid the intake of garlic, maybe because of the smell or for one reason or the other, I think you can go for the capsule so you don't miss out on all these health benefits that garlic have to offer. If you have any experience with garlic, you can leave it down in the comments section. If there's anything you use garlic to do, because it's used for cooking, it's used for certain food, your salads and all that, you can chew it raw. So many uses of garlic. So if you know any, you can leave it down in the comment section so we can all learn from each other, isn't it? Yes, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you get notified on my next video. Until I meet you next time.